Hello everyone, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to explain about Nordish type second reactions. So, let us start what is the Nordish type second reactions. Ketones, again in Nordish type 1 I also talked to you about ketones. Having a gamma hydrogen, that is their alpha here gamma. Just concentrate on the term of hydrogens. Atom undergo photochemical reactions which results in the formation of an olefin and the enol of a smaller ketone. Olefins, you understand olefin? This is very basic. And enol, you also know the enol. This process is known as Nordish type second reactions. So what is the condition here? Gamma hydrogens. In Nordish type, what is the condition there? Alpha hydrogens. Now look at this molecule. Here CO, this is alpha, this is beta and gamma. This gamma have the hydrogens. Now it undergo photochemical reactions into pi star transitions. The bond, you see, hydrogen in here, this hydrogen shifted to here, forming radical on this and this. Now you see RCH2, RCH double bond CH2. Here this bond will break, this radical and this radical, forming double bond, and then remaining radical form these double bonds. Now this shifted to here, you see, ketone, so ketoenol, and if it is combined here, then cyclic product. So this is the Nordish type second reactions. Now there is a competitions between Nordish type 1 and second reaction for 2-pentanone. This is 2-pentanone. Here alpha hydrogens and alpha beta gamma hydrogens, both type of hydrogen is there. So there is a competition between Nordish type 1 and 2 reactions. You see, in Nordish type 1, what will happen? CH3CO and this bond, and either this bond will break and then they combine together, forming carbon-carbon bond. But in Nordish type second, gamma hydrogen is important. This hydrogen, this formation of diradicals, and then there is a ethene and then acetone, and if it is cyclized, then cyclized products. So friend, have you seen the difference between Nordish type 1 and Nordish type second reactions? So remember it, gamma hydrogen is necessary to present in keto group and keto compound for Nordish type second reaction, and alpha hydrogen is needed for Nordish type 1 reactions. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you, beneficial for you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it with your friend, and thanks for watching.